Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a REALME P3 Ultra, and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find security and privacy. Then we have to scroll down and tap on device unlock. And here tap on fingerprint and face unlock. So then tap on fingerprint, and if you've got the screen lock, you will have to enter it to confirm the whole step. If not, you have to add it right now, because you will not be able to add the fingerprint without it. So here we've got the information about using a screen protector, so make sure that it's that the protector is from secure places, because sometimes the protector might interfere with the scanner and it won't work perfectly fine. So here we've got the scanner. Let me put my finger on the sensor, and now we have to do it multiple times in order to add our fingerprint fully. Try to catch every part of it for better recognition. Your device will show you the information if you're using the same area that you've just recorded, so no worries. And here tap on done. Nope. And right here we've got our fingerprint section. This is the fingerprint we just added. We can rename it or remove it. Add another fingerprint. Here we can decide for what you want to use the fingerprint for. And here a quick launch fingerprint animation, so you can change it if you wish. And here you can decide whether you would like to show a fingerprint icon when the screen is off. So now let me lock the device and let's check if it is working. Let me put my finger on the sensor, and as you can see, the device is unblocked, which means that we just successfully added the fingerprint to it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.